Most under-sink water filters sold online barely improve taste and routinely leak after the warranty. A wrong pick wastes money and leaves you without clean, great-tasting water. Do you wish your under-sink filter actually removed chlorine and kept your pipes safe? This video breaks down the top options so you can pick without the guesswork. Today, I'm going to be going over the best under-sink water filter that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Brondell UC300. From the outset, this under-sink filtration system targets homeowners seeking PFAS and lead reduction without sacrificing style or overall water quality. The Coral UC300 integrates a premium chrome designer faucet and a compact footprint, blending performance with kitchen aesthetics and everyday practicality. Its dimensions are designed to fit under most sinks, keeping essential plumbing clear and enabling straightforward maintenance when needed. The Twist and Seal Quick Filter Change System keeps maintenance consistently fast while two quick connect hoses streamline installation. Gold Seal certification from the Water Quality Association backs this system, meeting NSF ANSI standards 42, 53, and 372. Designed for year-round use, these filters are built to last and minimize replacements, helping households maintain consistent drinking water quality. The high-capacity design translates to 600-gallon filter life under typical daily usage, reducing the frequency of changes. The integrated LED change indicator on the chrome faucet provides a clear visual cue when it's time to replace the filter, eliminating guesswork. Installation is designed to be straightforward with two quick connect hoses and simple mounting hardware included for a smooth setup. The integrated LED indicator on the faucet continuously communicates filter status with a discrete glow, helping you stay on schedule. Customer feedback across dozens of installs reflects strong satisfaction with reliability, ease of installation, and noticeable improvements in water quality. Compared to a typical two-stage under-sink system from APEC, the UC three-stage filtration and designer chrome faucet stand out. The pros include twist and seal design for easy maintenance, premium designer chrome faucet, and high-capacity filters for less frequent replacement. The cons include higher upfront cost and a larger under-sink footprint that may challenge compact cabinets and limited space. At number 4, we have the Waterdrop TSA. Designed for homes seeking reliable under-sink filtration, the Waterdrop TSA targets buyers who value easy installation, mineral retention, and strong chemical reduction. The chassis uses durable, corrosion-resistant plastics and reinforced fittings designed to withstand under-sink conditions, with threading for a leak-free seal. Size and fit remain favorable for most under-sink configurations, with compatibility to 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch female MPT threads. Direct connection to most faucets is achieved through standard female MPT threads, allowing a tidy installation and preserving cabinet space without extraneous adapters. The unit ships with 3 filters that, when engaged together, provide 8-stage filtration capable of reducing PFAS, PFOA, PFOs, chlorine, and fluorides. The CT filter has passed IAPMO certification to reduce residual chlorine and improve taste, ensuring every drop is pure and healthy. The system slows the flow during deep purification yet employs larger outer pores and finer inner pores to maintain a steady flow rate. In a recent upgrade, the filter uses larger outer pores and finer inner pores to reduce clogging while preserving a respectable fill speed. The under-sink design uses age-resistant and freeze-resistant materials, making the system thicker and capable of withstanding high burst pressures. In real-world testing, users noticed improved taste and reduced odor after installation, with consistent dechlorination and mineral retention enhancing everyday water quality. Under typical pressure, the system aims for 1.5 GPM, delivering a 12-ounce glass in roughly 4 seconds. Testing indicates reductions in PFAS, PFOA, and residual chlorine, while preserving beneficial minerals by not reducing total dissolved solids during filtration. Compared to a typical 2-stage under-sink system, the Waterdrop TSA offers easier direct faucet connection and broader compatibility. The pros include easy DIY compatibility, 8-stage filtration for contaminants, and direct faucet connection for a clean under-sink setup. The cons include not suitable for hot water and a slower flow during deep purification, potentially affecting quick fills in busy kitchens. At number 3, we have the Waterdrop 15UA. From the moment you unbox, the compact under-sink design promises neat integration with standard cabinetry and quiet operation. Ideal for safety-conscious households seeking convenient lead and chlorine reduction without bulky countertop gear. The housing uses BPA-free components and a corrosion-resistant inner core to withstand daily use in busy kitchens. It presents a slim profile that fits neatly under most sinks without crowding adjacent plumbing or electrical cords. The system employs a multi-stage filtration design that targets PFAS and lead while preserving essential mineral content for taste. On municipal water, the system offers a maximum service life of 24 months depending on usage and water quality. Installation is straightforward with direct connect to your faucet and no professional plumber required, making setup accessible for apartment kitchens. Compared to typical two-stage under-sink systems, the Waterdrop Direct Connect offers a more compact footprint and certified filtration. The pros include easy installation, direct faucet connect, and effective multi-stage filtration. The cons include higher upfront cost and limited applicability to cold municipal water only. In real-world kitchen tests, users report noticeably improved taste and odor after installation, with strong chlorine reduction confirming the system's performance. IAPMO certification covers NSF 42 and NSF 372 standards, validating chlorine reduction and lead mitigation through third-party testing. If you value a plug-and-play under-sink system with a 2-year filter life and municipal water focus, Waterdrop is a strong contender. At number 2, we have the ICEPURE under-sink water filter. From the outset, this unit targets homeowners seeking clean, great-tasting water without complicated installs or bulky counter clutter. Its direct under-counter design keeps faucet space neat, appealing to small kitchens and RV setups that value discreet filtration. Premium materials include BPA-free plastic and coconut shell carbon, with a half-micron outer layer to trap impurities effectively. The carbon blocks have been independently tested for heavy metals and sediments using coconut shell carbon and advanced multidimensional design. Authoritative NSF certifications ensure lead-free components and compliance, with a stated capacity of 22,000 gallons for municipal supply. Compared to a typical budget under-sink filter, ICEPURE under-sink water filter offers 22,000 gallons capacity and a steady 2.5 GPM. The pros include easy installation, exceptionally long filter life, and BPA-free materials that ensure safer daily drinking water. The cons include limited to cold water line only and higher upfront price compared with budget options. In practical use, the design minimizes leaks and maintains flavor thanks to the 1/2 micron outer layer and coconut shell carbon. During real-world testing, the system maintained consistent filtration and carried NSF 42 certification to prove lead-free construction and reliable performance. The Direct Connect under-counter design suits most kitchens by matching common faucet threads and requiring no countertop hole. Installation time is remarkably short, often under 3 minutes with clear instructions and simple plug-and-play operation. NSF certifications cover ANSI 42 and ANSI 372 tests, reinforcing lead-free construction and reliable filtration. For homes prioritizing flavor, safety, and straightforward setup, this ICEPURE under-sink water filter model represents a compelling value in under-sink filtration. At number 1, we have the iSpring RCC7 AKBN. From the moment you unbox it, this system feels purpose-built for households seeking reliable, taste-improving water with simple, above-counter installation. The shell presents a clean, durable look with a compact footprint designed to hide under most sinks while maintaining easy access for service. Its patent-pending design enables countertop mounting from above, reducing the hassle of under-sink nut tightening and aligning drip-free operation. The Mineral AK stage provides a natural remineralization step that balances pH and adds essential minerals for smoother, better-tasting water. A front-viewing transparent housing lets you monitor filter life visually, empowering proactive changes before contaminants reach your tap. NSF certified to ANSI 58 for the entire filtration system ensures credible performance and regulatory compliance across all stages. The installation remains DIY-friendly with quick-fitting connections, a clear manual, and step-by-step videos guiding homeowners toward hassle-free setup. In real-world testing, the system demonstrates substantial contaminant reductions across a broad spectrum, delivering cleaner, crisper water. The remineralization stage contributes to a balanced pH and improved mouthfeel, resulting in noticeably smoother and more refreshing drinking water. Performance claims include removal of PFAS, chlorine, lead, and heavy metals well beyond what many homeowners anticipate. Customer satisfaction sits high thanks to reliability, consistent performance, and straightforward maintenance guidelines reflected by favorable ratings and lifetime support. Replacement filter sets F4AK, F9K, F19K75, and F28K75 are conveniently accessible. In a direct comparison with the APEC row system, the iSpring RCC7 AKBN offers simpler top-mounted installation and better remineralization. The pros include easy DIY installation, effective remineralization with the Mineral AK stage, and dependable lifetime technical support across Atlanta. The cons include ongoing replacement filter costs and the requirement for adequate under-sink space, which may limit placement options for compact kitchens.